Alright, today I am trying to figure out why my furnace is not working correctly. Alright, so here in Las Vegas we've had abnormal weather and temperatures and all that stuff. And my furnace barely works. Or, let me take that back. Barely runs. I really rarely need it for anything, but maybe 2 months of the year. So I have two furnaces, one for upstairs and one for downstairs. These are the York GYC units. My house is about 12 years old and I've only had one issue with them, and it was pretty easy. It was the igniter. But luckily for me, I have two of the same units. So having two of the same units, when one goes down, I basically just look at the other one and look and see what's working, and basically trying to tell the difference of which one's working, which one's not. It was pretty easy to find the igniter because the one igniter just wouldn't glow, and the other one was bright orange. So I was like, all right, well, that's got to be it. So I swapped it out and fixed it. What's really nice about these the York brand, is that they have these diagnostic charts right on the panel. So right now, on the furnace in question right down here, there's a red light. Well, the red light's off because I manually shut the furnace down. But that will flash and it will give you a code. Mine was flashing 8 in a row. And when I go to 8 flashes here on my list, it's showing that it is a lockout caused by loss of flame. Alright, so I am by no means an expert, by any means. I just can read directions and do a little research online. I do not want to pay a furnace guy to come out here and charge me through the nose to try to fix something that I could possibly do myself with a little bit of time. So I'm going to look into this matter a little further and see why I cannot reach the desired temperature in my house. It shuts off about after 15 minutes and the house does not reach the temperature. And it'll come back on, and then it'll do it 2 or 3 times, and it'll finally catch up to the temperature, and then I'll leave and I'll come back, and it's 10 degrees cooler on the thermostat than what I'm actually calling for. So I just got to figure out, why is this not reaching temperature? So I got a good start. I got 8 flashes, which means flame loss. So I'm going to look at the flame sensor and see what we got going on there. All right, so again, I'm not a professional. I'm just a hack trying to save some money. So obviously do what you feel is best, but I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. So not recommending anything. So all right, we'll come back to you and see what we find.